To install React, you will need Node.js and npm Node Package Manager installed on your system. Once you have them, follow these steps, open the terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where you want to create your React project. Run the following command to create a new React project: Lua npx create react app myapp bash cd myapp bashed myapp. Open your browser and go to http://localhost 3000. You should see the default React app running. Note, the npx create react app command is a shorthand to create a new React project with the latest version of React. You can also use npm init react app myapp to achieve the same result. React installation requires basic knowledge of Node.js and npm Node Package Manager, as it is a JavaScript library. You can install React using the following steps: install Node.js on your machine if you haven't already done so. Open the terminal or command prompt and run the following command: npm install g create react app. Once the installation is complete,